Want to make money while you sleep? Here are 10 passive income ideas that can help you earn money with minimal effort. Welcome back to WealthWorks. Today, we're diving into the world of passive income. Imagine earning money 24/7, even when you're not actively working. Passive income can provide financial security and freedom, allowing you to focus on what truly matters to you. Let's explore the top 10 passive income ideas to help you get started. Many people think that earning passive income is just a dream, but it's entirely possible with the right strategies. Whether you have some upfront capital to invest or you're starting from scratch, there are options for everyone. Here are the top 10 passive income ideas to consider. Investing in rental properties can be a great way to generate passive income. By purchasing a property and renting it out, you can earn a steady stream of rental income each month. Make sure to choose a location with high rental demand and reliable tenants. While there are upfront costs and ongoing maintenance, rental income can provide a substantial return on investment over time. Dividend stocks are another excellent source of passive income. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can receive regular payouts from the company's profits. Look for companies with a history of consistent and growing dividends. Reinvesting those dividends can further increase your returns through the power of compounding. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. These platforms connect lenders and borrowers, making it easy to diversify your investments across multiple loans. While there is some risk involved, the potential returns can be higher than traditional savings accounts. Creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, or printables, is another great way to generate passive income. Once you've created the product, you can sell it repeatedly with minimal additional effort. Use platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Teachable, or Etsy to reach a broader audience and maximize your sales potential. Investing in real estate investment trusts, or REITs, allows you to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. REITs are companies that own and manage income-producing real estate. They pay out most of their profits as dividends to shareholders, providing a regular income stream. You can invest in REITs through the stock market, just like any other stock. Creating a blog or a YouTube channel can generate passive income through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. It takes time and effort to build an audience, but once you have a steady flow of visitors, you can earn money from ads and promotions. Choose a niche you're passionate about and consistently create valuable content to attract and retain followers. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. You can incorporate affiliate links into your blog, YouTube channel, or social media platforms. Focus on products that are relevant to your audience and that you genuinely recommend to build trust and increase your chances of making sales. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, offer a low-risk way to earn passive income. While the returns are generally lower compared to other passive income strategies, these accounts provide a safe place to store your money while earning interest. Look for accounts with competitive interest rates to maximize your earnings. Writing a book can be a long-term source of passive income. Once published, you can earn royalties from each sale. Consider self-publishing through platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or seeking a traditional publishing deal. Promote your book through social media, your blog, or email newsletters to increase sales and royalties. Investing in index funds or ETFs is a hands-off approach to earning passive income through the stock market. These funds track a specific market index and provide diversification across many stocks or bonds. Over time, they can generate returns through capital appreciation and dividends, with lower fees compared to actively managed funds. To recap, the top 10 passive income ideas include rental properties, dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, digital products, REITs, blogging or YouTube, affiliate marketing, high-yield savings accounts, writing a book, and index funds or ETFs. Each of these strategies has its own benefits and risks, so choose the ones that best align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Comment below with your favorite passive income idea or any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.